Hey guys, how's it going? So here we have my homemade Bluetooth speaker that I built. I built this all on my own with parts that I had from an existing Bluetooth speaker, including a battery, a board, a Bluetooth receiver / amplifier board, and the speaker. I put the speaker in this little wooden enclosure here so it can be more portable, and it will probably allow the best bass response from the enclosure. It's just a nice, simple, sealed enclosure, no passive radiators, no ports. I have this on this nice little shelf in my dad's guest bedroom, and we're going to test it out, see how well it fills this really empty room. This is the guest bedroom, like I say. You can see there, it's the guest bedroom. So I'm just going to go ahead and bring the camera tripod back a bit. Probably right to here. And then I'll zoom up very, very closely on the speaker. It's quite a nice sounding piece of kit, actually. Alright, and the song is, zoom back out. You can find this on Bearvid's channel. Focus. The camera probably won't focus very well, but it's taking such long to focus. Come on. Oh. Yeah, it's Sadness and Sorrow BP Rebase by Basso Profundo. That's Bearvid's little thing that he does to like make songs with a better bass line or whatever. Let's just see how well it fills the entire room. To remind you, it's only a 3-watt speaker. Only a 3-watt. So that's probably about twice the output power of a 0.5 watt speaker. It's pretty impressive. So it's quite a nice sounding speaker right here. Also built very, very well. You can see there, the 3-watt driver, like I said. But it's a very, very long throw driver. It has a rubber surround, a paper cone, and a plastic dust cap. It's pretty darn impressive for what it is. I love it. Very convenient as well. See, there's the amp board right there. Currently have it plugged into the laptop right there. It's giving it a nice good charge and everything. Yeah, so awesome stuff. Thanks for watching, everybody.